Hello and welcome to Baby Steps in Create Studio 3 Part 23, Replacing the Placeholders. I'm Tony of Tony's Tutorials and we're on version 3.4.3 of Create Studio 3. Let's get started with left clicking on New Project. And now we're there. We're going to start off with normal characters. And I'm just going to drag down to this one, Hipster Girl. I'm going to just drag her onto the screen by left mouse clicking as usual. I'm going to get and change action 1 by clicking on the waving there, and I'm going to, with the left mouse button that is, and drag this down with the left mouse button held, and drag down to where it says working on PC back, right, and click on that one with the left mouse button. And as you can see on this one, the character is facing the screen of the PC and she doesn't move in front of the scene, right? The screen, sorry. It doesn't move in front of the screen, right? So with this one, because it's a character and a 3D creative character, you can go onto media and go to Vecteezy or something like that, download a video, whatever video you want, say that one for example, download the video and you can put that in there by stretching it to the right size and things like that, like I'm going to show you now. Just wait a moment for that to import and hopefully it'll be done in a moment. Okay, so just do that and it's already there, look. All you need to do is wait for the resolution to come up, and once it's done the high resolution and low resolution, I'll just drag it onto the scene and resize it to the screen size of the PC. Right, now it's not hard at all, but this is just the ordinary characters. With the 3D creative characters, they're different and you can't use videos for them, which is a problem. So hopefully they'll change that in the near future, if they can. We'll have to ask them too. Anyway, I'm just going to put that on like that. Left mouse click button and drag it on, and then release the mouse button when you're on the screen. So just put that there, drag that in a little bit. Need to change that a bit, so we're going to put that there like that. Maybe pull that up a bit there. Whoops. Pull that up a bit like that. That looks more or less right, not near enough anyway. Just need that one bringing over and that one bringing up a bit, maybe. Like that. So that's close enough anyway, but I mean you can see what I mean, but you'd have to cut it to where the end of the image finishes here. So you click on that and you cut that and delete that bit. So let's go back to the beginning by left mouse clicking on there and left mouse clicking to play it, and as you can see that looks pretty good, but that's using the characters, and that's all you have to do with them if you want to put a video on or an image. Now with the other things, the 3D creative characters, you would have to do something different. So we go on there and we go down to Lenka, if you can find her, there it is, drag her on, left mouse click button again as always, left mouse to drag, left mouse to hold and drop. Right, now I should put that at the beginning, and there you go, that's my usual error, I'm always doing that. We're going to actions first. We want to change your action, and we're going to go down to where it says working on PC, And let's just show you what happens with this one. This character is in front of the screen some of the time and stuff like that, and it's got placeholder on it, right? So because of that, you need to go to either style up here or custom. Let's just set the actions off. You need to either go to style up here like that, or click on it somewhere else like that. Then you click on the character again, and then you go to customize. So it's either style or customize, and you get to the logo, right? By left mouse clicking on it. Left mouse click on there, not on the action, on that or anything else, right? So you click on the style, or you can click on customize, right? Either one of them will bring this lot up. You go to logo, left mouse click button, and PC screen to change the PC screen. If it's a laptop screen, you can change laptop screen. Phone screen or tattoo or logo you want on, you click on those, right? So we want a PC screen, so we do that. Then we add a image. So I want to go to media. Let's go to a different media, like Pixabay, and add an image. I will add an image like that. Right, so got that image, and it's there. All I need to do is just click on it now, and it'll add. And as you'll see, if I start from the beginning, it'll come on and do all the automatic stuff with it. Right, that's what happens with that. Right, now say, oh look, you've got the video there, why can't we put that in? Okay then, let's try. It's gone. The video won't add. It won't add a video, it won't allow you to, because the placeholder is an image and it will only allow you to swap like for like. That's the thing. So if the placeholder was an actual video, you might have been able to do it then, but they haven't done that. So it might be an idea to ask them to make it so that the placeholder could be a video maker, so you could put a video in instead of a image. So I'm going to ask for that myself. So hopefully, if enough people do it, ask for it, then they might do that. It might be more useful than just having an image in there. Alright, anyway, I hope this has helped you to understand how to replace the placeholders. If it has, all the better, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel. If not, then please inquire about it more, and I will try and help you a bit more. And any questions you've got, please ask me, and I will try and help you as best I can. And I really do appreciate you watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you can at Tony's Tutorials. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Thank you.